Definition of share. Under Section 2, Subsection 84 of the Companies Act 2013 defines a share as below. Share means the share in the share capital of a company and includes stock. Share is one type of securities which is defined as the Section 80 of Section 2 of the Companies Act. Nature of the shares. In accordance with the Section 44 of Companies Act 2013, the shares of any member in a company shall be a movable property. It is transferable in the manner provided by the articles of the company. Types and kinds of shares. Under Section 43 of Companies Act 2013, the share capital of company limited by shares shall be two kinds, namely equity share capital, preference share. Equity share capital. The equity shares are those which are not preference shares. The shares do not enjoy any preferential right. Thus, for the purpose of dividend and the repayment of capital, the equity shares rank after the preference share. Generally, the rate of dividend is not fixed. It may vary from year to year depending upon the profit of the company. As per Section 54, now company may also issue sweat equity share. Sweat equity share means the share issued by the company to employees or directors at the preference share capital means the part of the issued share capital of the company which carries or would carry a preferential right with respect to dividend and the repayment. The following are the various kinds of preference share which can be issued by a company: cumulative, non-cumulative shares, redeemable shares, non-redeemable shares, convertible preference share, non-convertible preference share, participating share, and non-participating preference share. Cumulative preference share. A share is said to be cumulative when the arrears of dividend are cumulative and such arrears are paid before paying any dividend to equity shareholders. Non-cumulative preference shares. In case of non-cumulative preference shares, the dividend is only payable out of the net profit of each year. If there is no profit in any year, the arrears of dividend cannot be claimed in the subsequent year. If the dividend on the preference share is not paid by the company during a particular year, it lapses. Participating preference share. Participating preference shares are those shares which are entitled in addition to preference share dividend at fixed rate to participate in the balance of profit with equity shareholders after they get a fixed rate of dividend on their shares. Non-participating preference shares are entitled only to a fixed rate of dividend and do not have any share in the surplus profit of the company. Convertible preference shares are those shares which can be easily converted into equity share within a certain period of time. And the non-convertible preference shares are those shares which do not carry the right to conversion into the equity shares. Redeemable preference shares. The redeemable preference shares are those the amount of which can be paid back to the holders of such shares. In other words, the capital raised through the issue of redeemable preference shares can be paid back by the company to such shareholders. The paying back of capital is called as a redemption. The capital of these shares may be paid back after the expiry of a fixed period, not later than 20 years at the options of the company. Thank you so much for